Hi, Katrin here with European Papercrafts. Today I have another product review for you. Spring is here, so I made some spring cards and I picked some spring related items. All products will be in the info box, will be linked in the info box below, and there will be a coupon and also a free order add-on, so stay with me to the end of the video to get all the information. Then let's get started. So I'm starting it off today with a collection by Papercrafts called Couture De Jour. And we have several items in this collection. I'm going to start with the paper pack. So the paper pack has 72 papers of 6x6. I only have the 12 different designs here for you. So here they are. It's a pretty all over design with shoes and suitcases. There's some handwriting. Let's see if I have them all here. Polka dots. And there is a pretty stripe. Another all over design with flowers and prints. A greenish one. Here we have a dress form and a cage with a birdie, pretty dresses, roses and letters, a pink and white polka dot. Here's another pretty all over design with envelopes and flowers, and then a blue gingham. So that's the paper pack. You would get 72 sheets, 6x6 of those 12 designs. And then here we have the 8x8 glitter decoupage pack. This has 24 sheets, 3 sheets of 8 designs. So let's take a look at those. First of all, you have this perforated border up here, so it's easy to take off these sheets. And here they are, and I have noticed that you can make more than one card with those. So we could have this as a base item, number 2 is a base item. They're all die cut, so they're easy to come out. We have a pretty design here with flowers and envelopes. And here's another one with a dress form and a vanity. Pretty green dress. So the glitter you see on these embellishments does not come off. It's another green dress. Let's see what else we have. We have some pretty shoes here. And I believe that is the last. No, we have one more design. And here it is with a hand, the purse and other beauty items. So this is our decoupage pack. Then we have matching mini bows, same color, in a pretty pink and in a bluish green. And we have these accordion stickers that belong to this collection. And I thought it would be great to have some bling, so I'm introducing these eyelet jewelries. They're also sticky. And here are my cards. So I made this pretty card with a rose and the envelope design. And I have still shots of those cards at the end of my video if you want to take a closer look. And here I made a card with 2 different designs on the front, the pretty green dress and the suitcase and the shoes. Yeah, so they make really pretty vintage looking cards. So here I have some 3D die cut sheets. The first 3 are by Papercrafts Anidas. Each of these sheets have 2 embellishments per sheet and then all the different layers. And for Anidas, they are all numbered. So you can see here you have a beautiful spring table. You got the coffee pot and the tulips. And here you have a teapot and some roses. Now these would make great invitations for a tea party or an afternoon coffee and cake, date maybe, and you can see all the different layers that you would put the foam tape in between and make a pretty embellishment. So the next one I picked is this garden scene. So pretty, and the spring is here and you really want to sit out there in this chair. And then the other one down here, you have this lounge chair. Yeah, very cute. And then all the layers, of course. And number 3 are the birdies in a basket and a birdhouse. Then the next one is Springtastic. This is Yvonne's Creations, and there are also, no, there are actually 3 items on here, 3 embellishments. We have the birdhouse with a cute butterfly and a bird, and then the layers. You have a pretty flower here with butterflies, and then you have like a spring wreath with all the flowers. And this is also die cut, coming from Holland. And then the last one, we have Hobby House, the Spring Bringer. And I introduced some of these last time I had a video, because these are almost like stamped images, all colored in, and they're die cut in circles, so you can put them on your cards. So if you don't have stamps at home but you do like that look, here you go. And we got this cute girl. Actually, it's almost like a fairy. I see the wings in 2 different sizes. And then we have the girl on the bicycle. Here's your spring bringer. And then down here with a little kitty cat. So yeah, I like these too. And I do have a couple of cards for you. And I made these with the Anita sheet. Here is a card with the birdies in a basket. That's this one. And the other one is the birdhouse. That's so pretty. And you probably see the hello a lot with my cards, because I just bought this punch actually, and I love it. So I'm gonna link that punch to you too in the info box if you're interested in. I don't have it in my store, but if you like it, I'm sure you find it on Amazon. I'm gonna look for it and link it for you. But these are my cards, very pretty. Up next is a pack of specialty cards. These are pretty cards. Each of them is different, and they would make a great wedding card, anniversary card, welcome baby. So there are 5 cards. Here's the first one. It's a green card that you can see. It's a gatefold card that has double scored lines, so you can actually fold this one back. And then a pretty ribbon that goes around it. And the paper, yeah, is nice cardstock. It has some shimmer to it. So that's card number 1. Card number 2 is a tag card. So here you go, and then you can take the tag out. You can see the pretty cardstock, and it has embossing. Card number 3 has a little slit here. You could add a button so you can close it and open it. And it's also a trifold card, and it has the entire corner down here embossed. Very pretty. Card number 4 is also a gatefold card, like a peekaboo. You can put a pretty embellishment in here or a picture in 2 greenish tones. Seafoam almost. Pretty for summer and spring. And then the last one It's about 6 by 6 card that has a decorative border. It's also embossed all around, so very pretty. And all these cards have this beautiful shimmery cardstock, and of course the matching envelopes. And here is my tag card, so you can take the tag out and then put an embellishment on there, a greeting, and your own message can go in the back. So these are the specialty cards. Here I have a 6.5 by 6.5 paper pad for you from Papercrafts. This pad has 40 sheets, including die cut sheets and specialty paper. It's called the Fairy Garden, and I just couldn't resist. This is so pretty. Look at the beautiful flowers that come in this pad. There's 40 sheets. There's a specialty. You can see how it is glazed. We have these clouds. I can see cards with this. I haven't made any cards yet because this just came in a couple days ago. Beautiful, beautiful papers. Flowers. There's just a muted background. Here's another specialty paper. More flowers. And of course it's the fairy garden, so here comes the fairy. A damask looking paper. Polka dots. Kind of tags in the background. So here are the fairies. Cut apart, pretty blue striped paper. There are butterflies that are also glittered, and then here are die cut sentiments. So these you only need to push out, you don't have to cut them. We have some pretty borders. There is a sheet with tags. So again, they're all die cut, and then more sentiments. So that's that pretty paper pad. And it also comes with collectibles, this line. These are all different die cuts. Fairy Garden. So I took them out to show you just a few. Let's see, here we go. So we have Happy Birthday. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. There are doilies, tags, and then of course you have the pretty fairies. And these are cardstock, so you can see they have a good solid quality. Here's a pretty butterfly, flowers, another fairy. Thinking of you. So there are over 50 of these little die cuts that really make it easy to come up with a card design. Then I also thought these go great with the color. These are not by Papercrafts, this is Do Crafts, and they are called pinwheels. See, they make a great statement on your card, and they're all done, so you just have to put them on your card. They got a button in the middle. Here's another one. And I have a couple of new Nuvo drops. So there are the Nuvo Crystal and Nuvo Glitter drops. So these, when you use them, they're more like pearls. So you can make your own pearls, and this is more like a glitter liner. So we have the seafoam and turquoise. And I thought this is just a pretty match, those colors, with our fairy garden. And again, no cards yet, sorry, but I will come up with some. So you know that my favorites are these easy 3D toppers. And today I picked 3 different bags. These bags have 10 embellishments in them, and each of them has 3 steps. So here we have the birds and the flowers. And look how cute they are. Let's see if my camera gets them. There we go. So very nice designs. Here are watering cans with flowers in it. When I saw them, oh, I love these. I made some pretty cards with those. And then here we have candles. I thought they were different. Haven't seen candles before as embellishments for cards. So let's see, there is a pretty pink candle here. So again, each bag has 10 different embellishments, and they come in 3 steps, all die cut. This one here would even work for a wedding. So very, very pretty embellishments. And here are my cards. Look at the cute. I just love these tulips. And they're lightly glittered, very little bit, but so pretty. Here's another one. And you really don't need anything else for your card. Once you pop those up, your card is done. Here's an Easter card. And I have still shots at the end of the video if you want to take a closer look. Here are the birds in those flower pots. So cute. And I showed this to you earlier, but again, here is the candle. So that's easy 3D for this month. Here is my special for you. If you order from European Papercrafts between now and April 30th, and your order is over $50, then you will get, first of all, a $5 discount on your order, but you also have a chance to get one of these paper pads added to your order for free. There are 6x8 paper pads, 2 different designs. I'm not sure which one you would get. They will be added randomly and on a strictly first come, first served basis. So there are limited quantities and you must be quick if you like to receive one of these for free. Now you must enter coupon code Freebie during checkout so that you have a chance to receive them. And if I run out of those, they will no longer be added to your order, but the $5 discount will remain until April 30th. So that's the freebie. If you like to learn how to make these beautiful 3D cards, you may also want to check out our European Papercrafts design team members. They have videos with step-by-step tutorials, so check them out. I'll link them below. And lastly, I have created a Facebook group. I would like you to join us and upload your art. So I'm always interested to see what my customers are creating. So please check it out. And if you like these videos, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You will get new videos probably on a monthly basis. And you can also follow me on Pinterest or Facebook. Thank you so much for sticking with me, watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll catch you next time. See you later. Happy spring, everyone.